Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the quartz resonator into a simple feedback loop so it can enforce a stable frequency. You wire the crystal between the amplifier input and output and add the two load capacitors to ground. These set the exact operating point. Make sure the amplifier provides correct phase shift and gain. Too little and oscillation won't start. Too much and you get distortion. Once the loop is powered, the crystal's mechanical resonance will begin converting electrical energy into a stable oscillation. Once the initial oscillation appears, you refine the loop so it sustains cleanly. You measure the loop gain and trim components so net gain is just above 1 at the crystal's resonant frequency. This ensures startup while letting amplitude stabilize. Next, adjust the load capacitances to shift frequency to the intended value and set phase margin because the crystal's motional model, motional inductance, capacitance, resistance, dictates behavior. Make sure biasing and any temperature compensation are in place to keep frequency steady across conditions. To finish, you validate performance. Measure frequency, waveform shape, and harmonic content. The crystal should dominate the loop, not parasitic elements. If frequency is off, recheck load capacitances versus the crystal's specified load and correct stray board capacitance by changing layout or ground returns. If the oscillator refuses to start or is erratic, reduce amplifier gain, add a small series resistor to the crystal, or increase load capacitance a bit. These changes often tame spurious modes and restore reliable oscillation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.